Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I'm going to discuss important stock in news which was in news because of its corporate action. I'm going to discuss one by one. First of all, its Q2 result, then its fundamental, and after that I will discuss the important related news, its corporate action in detail. So, to know the name of the stock and everything about the stock and related news, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and stock in news update and indices levels update all in one video stock market pulse. So first of all, let's discuss the Q2 result, and the name of the stock is SDFC AMC. SDFC AMC is a subsidiary of the SDFC Bank. The SDFC Bank is holding more than 50% stake in the SDFC AMC. You can check the Q2 result. Q2 result was very good. You can see the revenue is up by 15, around 15, more than 15%. It is now after in 25 it was 887.2 crore, and now it has become 1000, more than 1000 crore. And PAT, you can see profit after tax, it is also it has also increased by 24.5%, which is quite good increase from 576.9 to 718 crore. The PAT has become now. Now you can see the EBITDA, it has also increased by 13.7% from 700 to 800 crore. Only the thing is margin is down from 25 Q2 25 to Q2 26. It has come to 78% from the 79.4%, which is slightly down, around 140 bps. So overall, if we see the result, Q2 result of SDFC AMC is quite good. This Q2 results comparison was Y on Y, year on year, from 25 to 26. So quite good increase in everything from SDFC AMC. You should definitely check the fundamental also. I'm showing on your screen. You can see the SDFC AMC is trading at 5700, I think more than this, I guess 5800 के अराउंड भी पहुंच चुका है, एंड इसका हाई अराउंड 5900 भी है. तो 5900 के अराउंड ऑलरेडी इट हैज टच्ड इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई, एंड the company, the market cap of the company is more means 1,22,500 crore. And the stock P, you can see it is 44.6x, means 44.6 around. The stock P, the stock is trading on its P. And if you compare, this is actually little bit high. What I'll not say little bit, yes, it's on high valuation, actually overvalued. Industry B is 25.6, so comparatively it is overvalued. And price to book value, if you see, 15.8, which is also looking overvalued from its industrial PPVV, which is 7.4. So overall stock is looking quite overvalued. As I just told that it's already reached the 5900 more, I guess. And yes, the ROC is very good, 43.3%, and return on equity is 32.4%, which quite we expect this from a good stock, good company. Dividend yield is 1.5, which is already I fit in my parameter, which is 1.5, more than 1% the dividend yield. The company is giving a very good dividend. It's high, you can see 5900, yes. So high 5900 का already ये लगा चुका है. And debt to equity is zero, means company is totally debt free. And yes, profit growth is 24.2, and operating profit margin is 80.2%. So overall, this was detailed fundamental I just discussed of SDFC MC. it is the subsidiary of the HDFC Bank, and you know that HDFC Bank is already a top 5 company in our country in India. Now let's quickly discuss what is the corporate action company is going to do. The SDFC MC on its 15th October, on its result day, announced the bonus issue of share to its shareholder on the ratio of 1:1. 1:1 का ratio का bonus share company is going to give. And what does it mean? Means the first bonus, and yes, this is the first ever bonus issue from the announced from the company, from the management. And eligible shareholder would receive one bonus share. What does it mean? 1:1 means the eligible shareholder going to receive one bonus share for every one share they are holding of the company. But when on the record date, eligible shareholder would receive one bonus share for every share of the company they hold on the record date. And record date, I'm just going to share. So record date, you should definitely hold this SDFC AMC share to get eligible or to get the bonus issue from the company. SDFC AMC has set the record date of November 26. Keep in your mind this date, and be mindful with the 26th of November. You should hold this company's stock on the 26th November to get the bonus share. What is the bonus issue? I always keep sharing that the bonus issue increases the total number of the share issued and owned, and it does not change the market cap of the company. And this increase the overall liquidity of the stock. Means if price is reduced, the investor are definitely going to be interested to buy that stock. They are going to be more interested to buy cheaper stock. This makes more affordable for the investors on the cheaper price. This is not going to change your investment value. The investment value, investment capital will be same, but the number of the quantity of the stock, quantity of the share will be increased. Value, the amount you have invested will not be changed, but the number of quantity will be uh, doubled. In this case, as ratio is 1:1, the value will be same. The price is going to be reduced by 1/2, means going to be half, and the number of quantity will be going to increase in the respective manner. So all in all, overall, I have discussed in detail everything about SDFC MC, as this stock is in news because of its corporate action in last week. And I have discussed in detail that how it is going to be processed, the calculation of this bonus issue. Once again, I will share the important news about SDFC AMC. They are going to give the bonus issue share to its shareholder on the ratio of the 1:1, and the record date is 26th of November. So be mindful with the record date. Like and share the video to your friends and others also, so they will be also aware with the important update and dates about the corporate action. And subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock in news update, indices levels update. Signing off.